Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix CSRF token missing or incorrect error on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, open up your Play Store application and search for Android System Web View. If it's not installed, then simply install it, and if it's installed but not updated, then simply update it accordingly. After that, again search on Play Store, but this time for Instagram. Now you just have to uninstall and reinstall the application. Then simply log in with your account and see if the problem solves or not. If it doesn't, then simply open up your settings and navigate to apps. Inside the apps, search for Instagram and clear its data. What it will do is it will delete all of your previous data of your application and reset all of its permission. Hopefully this will solve your problem, and that's how you can fix CSRF token missing or incorrect error on Instagram. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.